Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could solve the problem of the camera not working. It has been working when you had your computer running Windows 7 or Windows 8, but as soon as you have done an upgrade to Windows 10, it stopped working or it's showing as reverted. So the first thing which you will have to do, you will have to go to the search tab and you will type settings. We'll open the icon related to settings. So again, let's type settings. So we'll open the trusted Microsoft Store application. And here we will have to go home. And in the search tab in the top, you can type camera privacy settings. We will select from the drop down menu. And here guys, you will have seen that it's either everything is off, so you can just click to turn it on. And if here it's written camera access for this device is off, you have to click on change. And here, if it's off, you can always just click to turn it on so that it starts working. If this doesn't solve the issue and you still the camera not working or showing reverted, then you can close the settings. You will go against the search tab and you will type device manager. We will open the control panel device manager. Here guys, we are just going to click on the imaging device and we'll select integrated camera. You click with the right button of the mouse and you click uninstall device. And here just click uninstall. Don't select delete the driver. So we are going to click uninstall. You will have to wait just a few seconds and it's automatically refreshed. So click again to refresh to see. And here we have the integrated camera not working. So again, it has been updated automatically. So we are going to click update driver, search automatically for updated driver, and try to update the camera automatically. Why did we disinstall the driver and reinstall it automatically? Because this will solve if there is a problem related only to bugs, and the update should get you the latest software. So here Microsoft is saying that the best drivers of the device are already installed. If it's successful, it will say that the driver has been installed, but in my case it's unsuccessful, so there is no update available. So we will just close the device manager. We can go to Google Chrome or your browser, and here we are going to type the brand of your computer. If it's Lenovo, if it's HP, Asus, Acer, whatever, and you type the series and you press enter. So we can always add drivers to the title to speed up. And here we're going to go laptops and netbooks, the first result, which shows PC support.lenovo or .hp or whatever, to go to the driver section. Here guys, we're going to select the operating system. So if you are running Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, you select the proper one. And you can always here select the camera and card reader. And here I'm going to select Windows 7 64. If you cannot see Windows 10, it means that your computer is not eligible to an upgrade to Windows 10. And as a solution, you will have to go and download the driver for Windows 7 or Windows 8 of your computer. And then what you can do is just run it in compatible mode and it should work. So for instance, I will just deselect and select Windows 7. If you have Windows 10, go ahead and download the driver. So we're going to scroll, and here we're going to look for integrated camera, and we're going to click to download it. Again, we're going to click on download. So here, integrated camera driver, read me for integrated camera driver. So I will select just the first one to download. After the download, we're going to click on the driver to run it, and you will have to wait just a few seconds. Windows will ask you if you really want to run that software. You will just click yes and see what's gonna happen. So we'll click next, accept, next, next, yes, install. This is only very well known path of an installation. You are kind of just installing the driver, but it works as a software, so you have just to keep clicking next. So we'll have to wait until all the drivers are installed. And install camera driver now, finish. We'll just click yes. So as soon as the driver's installation is finished, I will suggest you to go and to check if your camera is working. So now the installation is almost done. Now we will just select no. I will restart my computer later, and we'll just click finish. You will have to restart your computer, and if this has solved your problem, that's good. If not, you can always go back to the driver which you downloaded, especially if it's a Windows 7 driver or Windows 8, and you click with the right button of the mouse. And here you can try to run it either as an administrator, or you can look for the properties. And under properties, you click on compatibility, and you can click run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you select for example, this driver is for my camera, which was working under Windows 7, so I downloaded it for Windows 7, so I have to select Windows 7. So if you have downloaded the one for Windows 8, then you can just select that one. We'll click Windows 7, and we'll click apply. We are going to click OK, and now we will retry again to reinstall in case it didn't work. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us an email or leave a comment for us, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us to produce more video tutorials by clicking like, share, and finally, do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.